Hello.
Are you guys still messing around?
Yeah.
I'm at the North Trader now. Oh, look at you, man. Oh, it's... like all...
Все, что хочешь,
Yo,
по
fire.
самым выгодным ценам.
The first round of proving yourself is giving that weapon to how about that? Oh, the weapon.
You give it... I guess the
No, the shotgun on your back.
The Panama's a weapon.
You can keep the rest of the stuff. Just the shotgun on your back. No, you have the pistol. It's the cost.
It's...
Eventually. Eventually.
Look at him just crouched. Oh, look at... Oh, shit.
Look at that, you just lost your shit. Now you're not gonna have anything.